Hey, the open road awaits time to ride. There's nothing like the thrill of hitting the open road on two wheels. Getting your first motorcycle is huge. It's a milestone, a rite of passage for many. It's more than just buying a vehicle. It's about freedom, adventure, and joining a community of awesome people. You become part of a brotherhood, a sisterhood, a family of riders. Imagine yourself cruising down the open road, wind in your hair, feeling the rumble of the engine. The sense of liberation is unparalleled. That's what we live for, man. The camaraderie, the shared experiences, the stories we create along the way. When I got my first bike, a beat-up old Honda, I couldn't wipe the grin off my face. It was my ticket to endless adventures. I rode that thing everywhere, learning every nut and bolt. It taught me the value of understanding your machine. It's about the journey, not just the destination. Every ride is a new story, a new memory. This ain't rocket science, but there are a few things to consider before you jump in. Safety, comfort, and style all play a role. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you. We'll navigate this together. We'll break it down, make it simple, so you can find the perfect ride and hit the road with confidence. From engine size to ergonomics, we'll cover it all. Remember, the most important thing is that you feel good on the bike. Comfort and confidence are key. It's all about the feeling, man. The freedom, the exhilaration, the pure joy of riding. First things first, what kind of bike gets you fired up? Is it the roar of the engine, the sleek design, or the promise of adventure that gets your heart racing? There's a whole world of styles out there, each with its own unique appeal and purpose. From cruisers to sport bikes and everything in between, the options are endless. Cruisers, these bad boys are all about comfort and style. Think laid-back riding position, big engines, and that classic chopper look. Harley-Davidson, Indian, you know the deal. Perfect for those long, scenic rides where you can just sit back and enjoy the journey. Sport bikes, built for speed and agility, these are your ninjas of the road. They're sleek, powerful, and meant for carving corners. Think Yamaha R1, Suzuki GSX-R, built for adrenaline junkies. If you crave the thrill of high speeds and sharp turns, this is your ride. Standards naked bikes, these are like the blank canvas of motorcycles. They're versatile, comfortable, and perfect for beginners. Think Honda CB Series, Yamaha MT-07, easy to handle and fun to ride. Ideal for daily commutes or casual weekend rides. Adventure bikes, made for exploring both paved roads and dirt trails, these are your go-anywhere, do-anything machines. Think BMW GS, Honda Africa Twin, ready for any adventure. Whether it's a cross-country trip or an off-road expedition, these bikes are built to handle it all. Don't get too hung up on labels. The important thing is to find a bike that speaks to you. Sit on a few, see how they feel. You'll know when you've found the one. Remember, the best bike is the one that fits your style, needs, and makes you excited to ride every time. All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Money. Motorcycles can range from a few grand to more than a car. Before you fall in love with a top-of-the-line beast, figure out your budget. Don't forget about gear. Helmet, jacket, gloves. Safety is non-negotiable. Factor that into your budget too. Remember, you don't need to break the bank to get started. Used bikes are a great option for beginners. Just get it checked by a mechanic before you hand over any cash. Section 4. Engine power. Starting small and riding safe. Now let's talk about engines. Bigger isn't always better, especially for new riders. A smaller engine, think 250cc to 650cc, is perfect for learning the ropes. They're easier to handle, more forgiving, and won't throw you off unexpectedly. Trust me, I've seen a lot of guys get in over their heads with too much power. It's not about showing off, it's about riding safe and having fun. As you gain experience, you can always move up to a bigger bike. Remember, it's not a race. Take your time, learn the basics, and enjoy the ride. Section 5. Bells and whistles. Cool extras for your bike. Once you've got the basics covered, you can start thinking about extras. These additions can not only enhance your riding experience, but also add a layer of safety and convenience. Windshield. If you plan on doing any highway riding, a windshield can be a lifesaver. It helps to reduce fatigue by deflecting wind pressure off your chest. It deflects wind, rain, and bugs, making your ride way more comfortable. Plus, it can also help with aerodynamics, improving fuel efficiency. Saddlebags. These are great for carrying gear, groceries, or anything else you need to haul around. They come in various sizes and styles to suit your needs. Crash protection. Nobody wants to think about crashing, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Investing in good crash protection can save you a lot of money and pain in the long run. Engine guards, frame sliders, and a sturdy skid plate can save your bike and your hide in a fall. These accessories are especially useful for beginners who are still getting the hang of riding. Remember, you don't need all the bells and whistles right away. Start with the essentials and gradually add on as you become more comfortable and experienced with your bike. Section 6. Ride on. Choosing your perfect first motorcycle. Choosing your first motorcycle is a big decision, but it should also be exciting. Take your time, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Talk to other riders, visit dealerships, and sit on a bunch of bikes until you find the one that feels like home. Remember, the most important thing is that you're safe and having fun. So get out there, explore the open road, and join the amazing community of motorcycle enthusiasts. Ride on, brother!